there, I'm Chantel with WTI. These motorized blinds by Yoolax have added so much brightness to our son's bedroom. Replacing his dark curtains with these blinds has really transformed this space. The day mode has been a great way to wake our son up in the morning, while the night mode is excellent at blocking out sunlight. The remote makes it so easy to open and close the blinds, set them halfway, and you can even save your favorite position with the heart button. The manual shows you exactly how to set everything up, which I greatly appreciated. The honeycomb pattern folds up so effortlessly, and I love that the gray and white fabric matches his room perfectly. Being able to customize the size of these blinds makes them a great option for all window sizes. The charge on the motor lasts a long time, and they are easy to recharge with the long charging cord that comes with them. Anything with a remote makes me happy, but that's just my point of view.